Hey friends, if you encounter error 0x00000016, the blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reinstall your graphics card drivers, not update them, reinstall them. I'll tell you later why. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand the list of display drivers. Now do it one by one, not both at the same time. Right click on the first one and select uninstall device. Select action and scan for hardware changes and do it with the second one. So when you uninstall a driver and scan for hardware changes, basically it picks up the best driver which is compatible with your game. Because the original driver has been uninstalled, there's nothing in the system. So it will pick the best driver at that point of time. The next solution is to reinstall the game. Now, what do I mean by it? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then click on these three dots corresponding to the game and uninstall it. Once it is uninstalled, you can reinstall the game. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.